Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyaka, scatter.
Up top, welcome to Sandy and Bonez TV. Make sure now do good now. Yo, the police force are be a foolish them go on with now. Yo, this girl get herself in a little problem and get locked up and a police woman cut off a girl like she have her locks over 19 years and thing. Yo, you're gonna watch the video still. Remember to comment when you think about it and thing, but in my opinion, a fire burn for that, you see. You can't see people have them here and go cut it off, man. I know you grow people here. I'll jaggy them a power to grow them here and turn Rasta no, man. Alright, now my feel say that girl who cut the girl here, if it's a girl do it, it's a police woman and thing. She will lose her, yeah man, she will get sued, everything. Full justice, you see me? Yeah man, I remember to like, comment and share and subscribe, you see it? And yo, we have some good people now, you have to give them shout out now. But yo, them wanna really support and I'm a YouTuber to, you see it? So yo, we have to give them a shout out in our video, so we have blessed them up.
See, the guys want to go over to DNA out and about. Subscribe to them channel and tell them say Sunday over the sun. See, big up.
Mr. Andrew Bonez, I'm here today seeking some farmer justice from you or maybe the state. I may ask your help for doing this. I'm here today because my daughter, Nzinga Kande Skin, she has been victimized by the police, very much victimized. She had some money with the police the other day. She got locked up, she got a court date, she got fined, but because of a misunderstanding, the fine wasn't paid, but she ended up at the lockup, even though eventually the fine was paid and she came out. But Mr. Holness, my problem is, my daughter is 19 years of age. From she born until the 22nd of July, she is a Rasta. She goes relaxed from she born until that day. And she got locked up and a police corporal down at the Fort Pass police station, her name is Constable Michelle, she trimmed my daughter's locks. I mean, I like to know the reason why. I mean, I ask me that like some justice. We can't live with this, I mean, I'm going to live with this. This is not in the 60s. Rasta have contributed so much to society. Why are we still being stigmatized? Why did this lady cut my daughter locks? Me, I beg you, please, me, I ask you to help me to get some justice. Me can't live with this. My daughter go crazy. My daughter is going crazy. Me I ask for some justice. Me need some justice.
Okay, Mr. Prime Minister, these police officers, they are acting as if they have so much rights and nobody else have rights. Only the police have rights. Because I was coming from school one afternoon, sitting in a taxi with about 4 other persons. 2 police officers came and said they want to remove one man out of the taxi. And he got pepper spray. Because the man was defiant, he pepper spray. In the car, pepper spray in the car. I was there standing. I got so upset because I had on my mask. I was not breaking any law, because they said we're supposed to wear a mask. I had on my mask, and the man never have on a mask. I just spray pepper spray in the car, so I was there upset and talking for my right because I know my right as a human. And the police officer claimed that I disrespected him, so he was gonna fine me. He was gonna charge me. While I was there, he handcuffed me. I was there. Can't see out of my eye because they pepper spray me. Pepper spray burning me on my hands, in my eyes. irritating the eye.
No go back through all of that. You need to talk about how you then trim your locks
I am so-
in a today Jamaica.
Well, listen. I am so mad. I am traumatized because of the situation. I'm feeling as if I have no right. I want justice out of it. I'm 19 years of age. I have cut my ear for some silly reason. You don't have any reason to cut my ear. Right now, I'm going through so much trauma. I don't understand this. I do not understand why this lady have to cut my ear. Is my ear a problem? Is my ear a problem? God, she not have no right to cut me ear. No right she not have to cut me ear. And then after she cut me ear, she have a behave as if she have right. So I want to know now if only police have rights and civilian do not have any right. Or me as a Rastafarian do not have any right at all. Because I see the inmates in there have a long braid reason down here and I don't see them go and cut her ear. But me will come in and a sister locks and an extension me put on and locks me having and you cut me ear. I will want to know the reason. Because when me asked her, I said why she cut me ear, she said, do not ask me anything, and she kissed her teeth. Bring me to the cell and lock me up. So I need answers. Me need answers. Me need perspective to all me and look on it. Me just feel like as if I'm nothing or nobody. Because you cut me ear for no reason. You can't explain to me why you cut me ear.
You take a part of my identity. Why?
She has taken so much things from me. She take my joy, sanity, everything. She took a lot from me. May I tell you? My ear is a part of me. A woman's ear is her beauty. And you take away so much from me. A woman's ear is her beauty. You take away so much from me. Why? What reason you have to cut me ear? I have a behave as if you don't care. As if you can't do anything and you can't get to it. And you can't do anything and you just go so.
My heart full. God knows my heart full. Why? Why? Why this? Corporal punishment is something where you say you want to cut out or you want to get rid of. But me I tell you myself well this. Me I tell you the truth where God love. If me they go to the station and my daughter tell me say the police then beat her, I mean have more of an understanding because me know say when she get angry, sometimes she behave a way. But come on man, you cut her locks, you take away her identity, you try to trample on her character, you play mind game with her. You don't even know the situation or the state of my daughter's mind or her well-being, and you cut her locks, you know where you do to her. My daughter went through traumas already where she tried to kill herself. And you come bring back my daughter to a state as this. Come on, man. We need some form of justice and we need some answers. If we don't get an answer for this, you come me think me know me go mad. And when I say mad, me talk about literally mental mad because it's a feed for my sanity. Why you do this? Why you do this? Mr. Prime Minister, please me ask you to help me get some justice from this because I'm not going to live with this and I can't.
This is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe to the channel because European for Sandy and Bonez TV. Watch out what going on over the world. European for Sandy and Bonez TV.